Computers are everywhere. They're like magic boxes that do amazing things. But have you ever wondered what's inside these machines? Understanding the basic parts of a computer called hardware is like learning the ABCs of the computer world. Just like we need our brains to think, computers need a brain too. It's called the CPU, and it's responsible for all the thinking and calculations that a computer does. Without a CPU, your computer would be as useful as a book without words. But the CPU can't do it alone. It needs a place to store information temporarily, like a scratch pad for your thoughts. That's where RAM comes in. RAM is like a computer's short-term memory, holding the information that the CPU needs to access quickly. And just like we store our memories in our brains, computers need a place to store information permanently. That's where hard drives and SSDs come in. They're like the computer's long-term memory, storing all your files, pictures, and videos. The CPU, or Central Processing Unit, is the brain of your computer. It's a small chip that sits on the motherboard and does all the thinking. Think of it like the conductor of an orchestra, telling all the other parts what to do. The CPU executes instructions from software programs, performing calculations and making decisions. It fetches data from memory, processes it, and sends the results to the appropriate output devices. The speed of the CPU is measured in gigahertz, or GHz. A higher GHz means a faster CPU, which can process information more quickly. RAM, or Random Access Memory, is your computer's short-term memory. It's where the computer stores data that it's currently using. Think of it like your desk where you keep your current project. When you open a program, your computer loads it from the hard drive into RAM. This allows the CPU to access the program's data much faster. The more RAM you have, the more programs and files you can have open at the same time without your computer slowing down. RAM is volatile memory, which means that it loses its contents when the computer is turned off. That's why you lose any unsaved work if your computer crashes. Section 4. Long-term memories, hard drives, and SSDs. Hard drives and SSDs are your computer's long-term storage devices. They store all your files, including your operating system, programs, documents, pictures, and videos. Hard drives are like filing cabinets, storing data on spinning disks. SSDs, or solid-state drives, are like giant flash drives, storing data on memory chips. SSDs are much faster than hard drives, which means your computer will boot up faster and programs will load more quickly. Section 5. The motherboard, connecting everything together. The motherboard is the central nervous system of your computer. It's a large circuit board that connects all the other components together, like the CPU, RAM, hard drive, and graphics card. The motherboard provides communication pathways for the different components to talk to each other. It also includes expansion slots for adding additional components like a sound card or a network card. The motherboard is essential for the proper functioning of your computer. Without it, the other components wouldn't be able to work together.